Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Our commercial Ethernet cables from Quabbin are available in Cat 5e, 6, 6a, and 6e types in shielded and unshielded versions, and are suitable for applications from 10 base T to 1000 base T. These cables feature a round, smooth design for added flexibility that allows easy manipulation between devices during installation and routing. The Quabbin RS-232, 422, and 485 cable is a high-quality, low-capacitance data cable designed with impedance specific for RS-422 and RS-485 communication applications in industrial environments. Automation Direct also offers Lutze Silflex FBP control cables specifically designed to meet all UL and FDA requirements for cabling used in food and beverage facilities. The patent-pending food-safe design of these cables have been evaluated by third-party tester Ecolab for resistance to commonly used cleaning agents and reduction of contamination risk. These cables are available in shielded and unshielded versions. The phthalate-free jacket is resistant to oils and fats that are common to food processing, and reduced cable diameters allow for easy routing and installation in conduit. We also offer Lutze Silflex control cables. These control cables are rugged industrial cables ideal for stationary and flexible applications with limited mechanical stress and free movement without tensile stress, loads, or forced movements. They are available with 3 to 41 unshielded or shielded conductors marked with numbers for easy identification. The rugged outer jacket provides resistance to sunlight, oil, and moisture penetration, making these cables suitable for wet and dry locations as well as outdoors. Our cables can be ordered cut to length in 1-foot increments with a 20-foot minimum. Learn more about our control cables, food and beverage cables, and Ethernet cables by visiting automationdirect.com/cables. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.